My dog found a hidden treat in under 8 seconds. And I didn't teach her a single command. It's called nose work, and it taps into what dogs are literally built to do. You hide a high-value treat or scent in a room. Your dog searches using only their nose. Start simple, like under a towel or behind a chair. When they find it, they get the reward immediately. The search itself becomes the game. And honestly, it tires them out faster than a walk. Even 10 minutes of sniffing can calm a hyper dog. No special equipment, just let them use that incredible nose.